Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Well, this video will actually help you to know what are the top 10 companies in India and in this pandemic situation what they are doing to help the society. So stay tuned till the end. The first company in our list is Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv Limited is an Indian financial services company focused on lending, asset management, wealth management, and insurance with market capital of 3.34 lakh crores. Bajaj Finserv has announced an ex gratia interest relief and also has offered a new kind of insurance scheme for the COVID. This is called the COVID-19 insurance offer, which covers up to 2 lakh at a premium of starting of just 952 rupees. I have mentioned the link below. You can visit the link and find the options. The next company in our list is the State Bank of India. After the announcement of India's 2021-22 Union Budget, public sector bank State Bank of India's market value increased significantly and now it is worth 3.40 lakh crores approximately. For this COVID pandemic, SBI has allocated 71 crores to combat the second wave of COVID-19. The bank has also dedicated 30 crores to set up 1,000 bed makeshift hospitals, 250 bed ICU facilities, and 1,000 beds isolation facilities across some of the worst hit states. The bank will also contribute around 10 crores for genome sequencing and vaccine research, which will be given to the government. The number 7 in the list is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has a big presence in India, offering a wide portfolio of banking and financial services with market value of around 3.83 lakh crores. However, no known contributions in the COVID-19 pandemic. Only a great statement, no one is safe unless everyone is safe, from the company CEO. At number 6, we have the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank's market capital is rupees 4.23 lakh crores, and hence the firm is ranked in the 7th position among the largest Indian firms. Well, no known contribution in COVID-19 pandemic, only to bear employee vaccination cost. Next we have the HDFC. The Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, or HDFC, a housing finance, ranks 6th in India with 4.63 lakh crores approximately. HDFC agreed to acquire Apollo Hospitals Group entire 50.8% stake in Apollo Munich Health Insurance for rupees 1.336 crores. That is the only contribution which I could find for in this COVID situation. Holding the 5th position, a leader in India's fast-moving consumer goods FMCG sector, the company has a history of over 80 years. Hindustan Unilever market value is 5.18 lakh crores. Hindustan Unilever Limited agreed to donate 4,000 oxygen concentrators in tie-up with Porsche Group of Hospitals. Infosys. Founded in 1981, Infosys is a global leader in the IT service segment. At present, Infosys is valued at rupees 5.85 lakh crores. We found COVID-19 dedicated hospitals developed in collaboration with Infosys Foundation, which opens for public in Bangalore. The Infosys Foundation has worked closely with the Kidwai Center of Cancer since 2001 in a number of projects. In the 3rd position, with a market capital of 8.55 lakh crores, is the Mumbai headquartered HDFC Bank. It is also the largest bank in India in terms of market capitalization. However, no known contribution in the COVID-19 pandemic has been reported. being said, that has agreed to bear the employee vaccination cost. Well, there has been always a tussle for the number 2 position, or can say number 1 position, between the Tata Technologies IT Services and Reliance Industries. Tata Technology Services, a giant Tata consultancy services, ranks second with market value of rupees 11.47 lakh crores approximately. However, we do see a number of contributions and help in this COVID-19 pandemic. The Tata Medical Center in Kolkata, Mumbai, which was built in 2011, Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai, Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Patna, Varanasi, Tata Cancer Hospitals, Kolkata, Mumbai, Patna, Muzaffarpur, Jamshedpur, Ranchi, Banaras, Tata Main Hospital in Jamshedpur, easted in 1908, Tata COVID-19 Hospital, which was built recently in Kerala, and also the Tata Sons and Tata Trust contributed around 1.5 thousand crores. The Tata Trust contribution of 500 crores will be used to manufacture personal protective equipment, respiratory systems, test kits, setting up modular treatment facilities, and training of health workers. Topping the list, Reliance Industries, with a market capital of Rs 13.78 lakh crores, company Reliance Industries Limited leads the pack. Its major contribution is Kokila Behan Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital in Mumbai, which was founded in 2008, Reliance Hospitals, Navi Mumbai 2018, and 2 to 3 cancer hospitals in Gujarat. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. And if you did like the video, please subscribe to the channel so that it can encourage us to make such more videos. Stay safe, stay home. Till next time, bye-bye.